Probably hear it too. There's thousands and thousands of seagulls in the light of the Luxor. Now that I'm looking, I'm thinking of seagulls and bats, because there's a lot of smaller brownish looking bird things, especially down closer to the light. Those are brown, and they're like going around. I'm sure they're catching bugs, but I'm not sure why the seagulls would be there. Last time I knew, the seagulls don't eat bugs, but I don't know much about seagulls. I'll just be honest with you. They're just having fun in the light. Maybe they're eating the bats. I don't know. But it's cool looking.